Contour versus bronzer. What in the world is the difference? My name is Chelsea Turan from Grateful Heart Beauty, and I am completely willing to show up on the internet looking crazy to help you with your makeup. Check out my other videos for more evidence of that. So first, let's talk contour. So the contour that I have on right now are all of the lines. So contour, you want to place where you already have natural shadow and dimension. So any area that would have like a shadow from looking a little more sunken, like think when you go like this, how you have a shadow there, or like you already have a natural shadow on your lip because your lip kind of comes over a little bit. Obviously your jawline because you've got like a little like cliff going on here, and then anywhere that you want to minimize. So like my nose, I like it to appear a little bit narrower. So I want to bring those natural shadows in a little bit closer. Next, bronzer. Bronzer is going to do the opposite. You're going to put that on the high points of your face, anywhere that like the sun would naturally hit, or anywhere that you want to blend the color. So my face tends to be a different color than my neck. If I put bronzer on my neck, it helps me to marry the two. Also, contour is a cool color because we are creating shadow, whereas bronzer is a warm color because you're trying to make it look like the sun kissed ya. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any comments or questions, just ask. And be sure to follow for more of this craziness.